My training video would be used for professional development for faculty in my own school. Once a month, we must attend an after-school session for professional development, which is an area that our school is trying to improve upon. My session would be offered on April 18th from 2:30 to 3:30 for any faculty, no experience necessary. I would be using Photoshop to teach them how they can use photos or pictures and bring them together to create interesting, exciting flyers, posters, and brochures in the session that they could then take back and use in the classroom. I would use Photoshop and have some posters available at the Teacher One-Stop Shop, which is where they would need to go and sign up so they could have an idea ahead of time of what I was offering. And I would also put together a quick little video and presentation on how I did this so they can see that in fact it isn't all that difficult or as scary as it might seem when you first look at it. So I would like to show you what I would do for the brochure, and I would start by pulling in a picture. I would show them how you could then change the layer style and put on a stroke, how you adjust the stroke to whatever size you feel you would like so that it shows up. I would show them how you can change sizes of images and make them fill the space, make them a little bigger. I would show them how you can bring in text and type to do different things as you go about doing this. And I would encourage them, or hopefully make them interested in what we're doing so that they would want to attend the session.